Hey, how you doing? This is Said here, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the truths in affiliate marketing. And you might not like it, but I'm doing this video because just to help you, just to make you realize that so that you don't get disappointed further down the line. Okay, so there are many ways to make money online and offline, right? You probably find most of them will not make you rich. Right, so say for example you start a bricks and mortar business, a traditional retail business, freelancing, eBay business, Amazon business, real estate, e-com stores, affiliate marketing, right? Can you imagine in each of these what sort of activities are required to start them up, maintain them, and grow them and operate them? Even if you're not sure, you can at least have a guesstimate, imagine what sort of things that are required to operate them. For example, let's look at e-com business. I haven't set one up, but I can imagine some possible activities, that I'm guessing will be needed to operate an e-com business. For example, choosing a niche of products that you want to sell, market research, structure your business as a business, company, e.g. company or a sole trader. Legally, we're talking legally structure here. Set up a business account, find a supplier for products, order products, find a drop shipper, set up a web store, a funnel for the products, set up a merchant account, payment processing facilities, start posting the products on your website or create the funnels around your products, advertise your products online or offline, whichever you choose. Once you make the sales, you deliver your products to your customers, answer queries for customers and prospects, provide after-sale service. So as you can see, there are quite a bit of activities that need to be completed. Some on a regular basis, to operate the business, and some are one-off activities. The point here is that, can you see that setting up a business like an e-com business can take some time before you even see some profits? So by no means it's a get-rich-quick thing, right? So that's the case with many other types of businesses, and it's no different with affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing does have the benefits of not having to deal with a lot of traditional business types of activities, such as dealing with stock, customer services, processing transactions, dealing with refunds, etc. From you as an affiliate marketer. But the fact is, there are some specific activities that are required to be completed to operate an affiliate marketing business. Some of these activities will be ongoing, rinse and repeat type activities, and some will be one-off or once in a while type activities. For example, here's some of the activities that you may be doing as an affiliate marketer in no particular order. So we're going to be creating landing pages, creating and publishing content, just like I am right now, creating a video, placing ads, maintaining your blog, if you decide to have one, that is, and you should definitely have a blog, optimizing and tweaking your funnels, sourcing for new offers and affiliate offers that you can promote, building your list and email your subscribers regularly. This is a major activity that you need to be doing ongoing basis, almost daily. Ongoing personal development and learning new skills, on affiliate marketing and just general personal development, learning and implementing new marketing strategies, and much more, right? So as you can see, all this takes time and requires work and effort. So it's in no way get rich quick. However, what you are doing is potentially setting up yourself for long-term success and sustainability. There may be new shiny get rich quick schemes and programs and opportunities, these fancy sales pages, with these fancy mansions and whatever that they show you on these pages. But you can tell, it's if it's too good to be true, it's not. You know what I mean? So what we're saying, that at the end of the day, if you follow the proven principles and sustainable strategies of affiliate marketing, then you could get rich quick. No, sorry, not get rich quick. Sorry, get rich and richer in the long term, right? And that rich that you're gonna get is gonna last. It's gonna be sustainable. All right, because every activity you do today in your business could improve and add on to your overall business success. All right, so for example, if you create one quality strategic blog post per week, right, that provides value and has a call to action to one of your affiliate offers at the end, that's 52 blog posts in a year, and potential traffic and affiliate sales that you could get from these posts forever. right? So because these 52 posts will be online 24/7, 365 days a year, serving on your behalf and generating potential traffic, leads, and sales for you. But first, you have to put in the work and creating these blog posts and posting them consistently. The fact is, you can get rich, but not quick, right? It could take time. I mean, you've probably seen loads of opportunities, business opportunities that promise you to get rich quick. But seriously, you got to think about it. Will they actually make you get rich quick, right? So a lot of things, it requires work. You have to put in the work. That's the bottom line. So if you're not prepared to do the work, and then it's going to be very difficult for you to get rich, right? I think the quickest way that you can get rich quick, that is the lottery, obviously. Then again, I personally would not do it. I just gambling. I don't do gambling. And we all know the chance of winning the lottery are very slim, right? But with affiliate marketing, you have an opportunity there, to generate passive income, residual income. And obviously, you don't have to deal with the hardships of a traditional business like dealing with stock, customer service, and all that. It's just a beautiful business model, but it does require some work, But this work, as I said, it's not manual. It's not like, physical labor intensive work. It's literally on your computer, on the internet, just creating content, doing certain things, like creating landing pages and all that we've discussed. But it's not physically hard work, right? But it just needs to be done. You just got to do it, right? And to get the to get the results. So that's about it, really. Sorry about that. So yeah, there you have it. I'm sorry to say that affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. It will take time, effort, work. But if you can imagine to do all that, when you do it, success, it will come in abundance. That you will most likely be glad that you stuck in there in the game of affiliate marketing long enough to see success. So that's it for now. I hope you find this video useful, and if you'd like some free resources on how to earn income with affiliate marketing, visit affiliateship.com/free, or you can click in the YouTube description below. Thanks for now, and if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.